Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. We have a number of new things at the Oklahoma Mesonet. Last week was Wesley's first Mesonet Weather Report segment. He'll be back next week with a new report. Mesonet has a new Yukon Mesonet site. It went operational on Monday, June 18th at 4:45 p.m. The Yukon site is in Canadian County, 2 miles north of Yukon. We want to thank Express Ranch for hosting this new site. These soybeans east of Chickasha are doing well. As they gain size, they'll soon cover the open ground between rows. To monitor crop maturity, farmers use degree-day heat units. To fully mature cotton, crops need between 2,200 and 2,600 heat units. As of June 19th, cotton planted on May 10th at Medford, Weatherford, and Altus have received 34 to 35% of the total cotton heat units they need to reach maturity. Shorter season varieties are used in the north, and longer season cotton varieties are planted in southern locations. Here's Gary with good news for next winter and spring precipitation.
Thanks, Al, and good morning, everyone. Well, as usual, we're going to start with the latest Drought Monitor map, so let's get straight to the map. Basically the same map that we've seen the last few weeks and even the last month or so. We do have that extreme to exceptional drought still in patches across northwestern Oklahoma, with the core of the worst drought centered around Woodward, Major, northern Custer, and northern Blaine counties. The one big difference we do have, though, would be the intensifying drought across the southeastern quarter of the state. We see down around McCurtain County and areas to the north and west of there. We do see that drought building in from the southeast. That's something we're definitely going to have to keep an eye on. Hopefully we'll see some rain in that area and stamp that out more quickly than what we did over across northwestern Oklahoma. We're going to look out a bit further this time. We're going to look all the way out to next fall and winter. We do have an El Nino watch that has been issued by the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center. Of course, an El Nino or La Nina watch is issued when conditions are favorable for the development of El Nino or La Nina conditions within the next 6 months. And again, this would be for El Nino conditions. Now, the good thing about El Nino is, again, during the cool season, so let's say about October through early April, sometime in that time frame, it does tend to bring the southern tier of the United States and sometimes Oklahoma increased odds for wetter than normal and cooler than normal conditions, which would certainly be better than what we had the last couple of winters. So that's just a bit of good news as we look out towards next fall and winter. We definitely don't want to repeat the conditions that we had during the past winter that impacted that wheat crop and fire season so disastrously. So let's hope we get that El Nino with its impacts in here, give us a little bit more favorable conditions. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.